You guys, for this recipe, I am using, let me show you. I am using an avocado. Comment down below if you think I'm crazy. No, I'm just kidding. Comment down below what you think this could possibly be. I'm using peanut butter and some flax meal for my flax eggs, sea salt, pink Himalayan sea salt, some unsweetened cocoa powder, coconut sugar, baking powder. Where's my baking powder? Gotta go get that. And some vegan chocolate. What do you guys think I'm making? What's up, Team T, baby? Hey, you guys, we are back with another wild cooking video. So, from the ingredients I showed you, could you take a guess in the comments of what you think that we are making today? Yeah, good job. Okay, glad you guessed. Well, anyways, we are making some, like I said, health beneficial double chocolate chip avocado cookies. Oh my gosh. Because you know your girl has a sweet tooth every day. I think I literally have a disease. This disease is sweet tooth disease. Like, it comes daily and it's not going to be curable. Like, I have to cure it myself through the medicine of food and chocolate. My sweet tooth runs on a daily basis, and if I do not take care of it, I'm gonna, I'll probably go crazy like the people that need medicine. So I do this. This is what I do. I make desserts, chocolate, I eat vegan ice cream, and that's what happens. By the way, do you guys like my Taste the Rainbow bathing suit top? I've been getting some color outside. What you think? My tan lines, you know, summer's coming. I'm trying to get the glaze first so I don't get extremely burnt whenever I have time. You guys will see this bikini in full on the video when I get the video up for you guys on the bikini haul. But this is the back. Oh, it's so cute. So, we aren't talking about bikinis today, but this does make me excited. Back to our cookies. So, double chocolate avocado cookies. Oh my gosh, I just can't wait to see how these come out. I've never made cookies with avocado before, but I've always seen it like all the time. And like I said, I don't like to cook unless it has benefits to it, especially making like sweets and vegan sweets. I love it to have benefits like protein or, you know, vitamins, this and this, not just the typical, like, what's it called again, that diet that Americans run off of, basically white sugar, white flour, you know, eggs, butter, sugar, all that crap. Anyways, the stuff that's not good for you. So we replace it with the vegan, and we replace it with stuff that benefits your body. So when you have a sweet tooth, it's like, okay, I'm doing my body good. Now, I did write notes in my phone of some things I want to tell you guys, because after I have matcha, I run off of like 1,000 miles per hour and I forget what I actually wanted to say sometimes, and I'm like, ah, dang it. So I wanted to tell you guys some interesting facts about the ingredients that I'm using, because a lot of the times, like, I go through and I'm like, oh, I forgot to say that, but like, I really wanted you guys to know that you need to put this in your body because this shit's good for you. So anyways, the cocoa powder I'm using, it's high in antioxidants, by the way. It has essential fats, let's see, and it has calcium, copper, zinc, and iron. Now that's if you're using the cacao powder, but I'm using the unsweetened cocoa powder. So there's health benefits to the cacao powder, but you know what, mine's a little bit off just because I just ran out, so I'm using the cocoa powder. And then flax seeds, I'm using flax meal to make my flax eggs, and those have your omega-3 fatty acids, just like the chia seeds. So when I make the chia eggs, so people who think, where am I going to get my omega-3 fatty acids from? Bam, there you go. Take out the fish, don't eat your salmon anymore, there's your omega-3s. It also has fiber, so if you're having trouble going to the bathroom, same thing like I told you guys with chia seeds, eat that shit and it'll flow right out, and you'll be one happy person because you won't feel congested. And then it has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory, so if you're feeling inflamed, like your muscles, your joints. That's why I make these for my mom, because she's inflamed right now. She's just a hot mama. But yeah, those I wanted to tell you about. Then I also wanted to tell you the peanut butter. Of course, peanut butter has 8 grams of protein. See, I'm addicted to peanut butter. I don't even need to write this one down. 8 grams of protein, and then of course your good fats. And then of course avocado. I mean, avocado is like one of the main ingredients, and avocado is a great source of vitamin E. So when you guys are like, where am I going to get my vitamin E, if anyone's ever wondering, it's really good for your hair, your skin, your nails. Y'all see why my hair never stops growing, my nails never stop growing. It's all natural. Just eat your avocado. The things that I'm addicted to is what's helping me out. Like my hair's growing, you know, hair long, I got no problems. What's poppin'? And it also has 25 essential nutrients, and hold up, listen up, listen. It's anti-inflammatory, helps lower your cholesterol. So this is basically like proving to you that food is medicine. You guys, eat your proper foods and you won't need to take all those crappy pills that the doctors try and shove down your body for no reason. We were created, that food, to put in our body is medicine. We weren't created to put a bunch of drugs and this shit to help heal our pain and all those other things, okay? Anyways, well, I'm just going to stop blabbering on because I'm really curious to see how this recipe tastes like. So let's get started. Alright, you guys, what is crispy on the outside but soft and gooey on the inside? This double chocolate avocado cookie is, my friends. Hey, let's try this bad boy out, because y'all know if the taste test is approved, then you're gonna make it. But if it's not, then you're not gonna make it. So this is what we have here. Oh Lord, oh my gosh. Now, like I always tell you, I eat lunch before I bake, because then I will eat all of these, and I'm trying to share a little bit, I guess. I wish I could send you guys all a cookie. I really wish I could, but one day you'll be able to try my baking. Just remember that. So let's see the truth of the avocado replacement of this cookie. Oh my god. Wow. That's insane. There was literally no flour in this freaking cookie, and this tastes like heaven sent. These are really dangerous, you guys, because it's so light and fluffy that it's like you could just keep eating them. Like this is gonna be hard. With some almond milk, okay, sign me up. These are really good. Holy moly. Now you see this, and it's not gonna be here for long. I'm just saying. I need you guys to try this recipe. I'm like impressed right now, because I didn't know that avocado could do such wonders inside. I mean, who am I kidding? Avocado could do anything. It's like the best thing ever. But wow, those are amazing. I think one time too, I will also try and add like a protein powder and see what that does. I don't know. With my recipes, I always just like to, you know, I throw shit in and like to see what happens and what comes out best and what tastes best. And like these are amazing, but I think it'd be really good too with like some chocolate, vegan protein, or vanilla. I'm not sure. Right now I'm just like thinking about maybe ice cream with these. Make like little sandwiches or something. Oh, Lord knows. Lord knows. Well, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys give this recipe a try. And for those that don't know, or for those that are new to my channel, I put the recipe down in the description below, because of my recipes of I always throw stuff in, and I always, you know, do things my own way. I make sure to put the recipe down below in the description, and then the video is for you to see what I did and how I do it. Example, if I'm making chia eggs, or if I'm making flax eggs, and of course, like, you know, what I do to put in together. And I'm sorry if I didn't mention earlier, I did show it's at 350, and they bake for only about 10 to 15 minutes. Super easy. I mean, it's all natural ingredients. And then I recommend letting them sit out for a little bit, so they can like kind of harden up. And then all these recipes, you guys, that have like, that I make that have like beans or avocado, make sure after you store them in the refrigerator, because it is natural ingredients. It's not just like regular stuff with like flour and, you know, sugar that can like just sit out for a couple days or whatever. Keep these in the refrigerator, and really honestly, they taste better over time. Like those last donuts I made for my last video, oh my god, I put them in the refrigerator, of course, and then the next like day, like I think the third day, they taste even better than the first day. They just hardened up and got even more soft. So make sure you do that. I'll see y'all in my next video, and I love you so much.